What's up guys, today we're going to be using a fish tank to get some awesome underwater shots. This one's a little bit dirty, so we're going to have to clean it out first, but stick around to see the results. Alright, we should be good. It's relatively clean, just need to dry it out. If you have a brand new one, I definitely recommend using that because you know, it's hard to get it perfect, but it should do the job. Alright, we cleaned it up pretty good. One of the sides is kind of messed up, a lot of scratches, but this side looks decent enough to work with. So we're gonna head on down to the pool, get this thing rigged up and test it out.
Get this beat untagged for free at freebeats.io.
No, camera. Yeah, I'm doing a like underwater test with this fish tank because I don't have housing, so it's for a YouTube video where I'm basically just getting fish tank, putting the camera in there so I can go below the surface. Yeah, I know. It probably looks weird as Yeah, go for it.
Oh God, time, you made me feel sweet. And if I'm losing my mind, would you lose yours with me? You make me wanna melt like butter in the pan. It's hard to keep my cool knowing I'm your man, so let's spend some time wasting it away. Your love is like music, you went and changed the game. We're breaking all the rules.
Alright, it's all for tonight. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Be sure to like and subscribe for more.